First video on the new camera. It's now 8K at 30 frames, so it's much better quality, but the photos are not as good. I really wonder how the audio sounds. But right now we are a little bit south of Sapa. As you can see up in the mountains, it is very foggy, so we're just kind of cruising around, exploring, and then we'll go back into the city here in a bit. But so far this has been pretty beautiful out here. Wearing my only dry shoes, which are the pink Solomons, and I'm trying so hard not to get them disgusting, while my bike Solomons, the black ones, are dry. This is a really big trekking route. I've been seeing a lot of people with, trekking sticks riding over here or walking over here, so don't really know where they're starting or where they're coming from, but I wonder if they're trekking all the way from Sapa. Roads aren't too great. Oh, first motorbike I've seen. This guy's just driving an automatic. Oh, that's a manual bike. I'm driving very careful because I just don't want to go through too much mud and sling it up onto my pants and shoes, because I just did laundry yesterday. But sometimes you don't get to choose. Oh, look at that bridge up there. That's pretty cool. Originally started driving down here because I was seeing if I can go the back way through Cat Village and come up into Sapa through Cat Village. So we'll see if that's even possible. A little bit of a loop, kinda. Much better 8K is gonna look. I really don't know, because I'm shooting in 8K 30 frames instead of 5.7K 30 frames, which is quite a difference, to be honest, especially with compression through YouTube. So we'll see how it turns out. Ooh, where do I want to go here? Let's go around to the left. That's just water. Don't get that mud. Up here is pretty cool. Maybe we can go across it. Who knows? Once I go through the mud and the water, I try to drive slow on the concrete so it'll get everything off. Here comes some more people in a second. Where do I go? This way. Go straight through here. This looks like sand, which is a little sketchy to drive. Back up on on this road. Just been cruising in first gear. Lift my legs up so I don't sling water and mud everywhere while we drive on this red concrete. Wow, that's a pretty cool looking ridge. I guess all the trekkers came down from here. It says there's a coffee shop right there. Can I go that way into the village? Let's see. Yes, good. Hello.
Where you from?
1 second. What?
Where you from? You go from Lao Chai Village, huh? From Lao Chai?
From where?
Lao Chai Village.
No, I was in Sapa.
Sapa? Sapa is there.
Yeah, so I'm just driving around.
Yeah. Maybe they go to down village, Lao Chai come landing village.
Oh, and then come around?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go to down
Go this
village.
way and then left?
Yeah. Down village, Lao Chai.
Well, let me see.
Yeah. Lao Chai village, come back to Thao Bang village. Thao Bang village, finish Sapa. Lao Chai is Thao Bang.
Oh, down there.
Yeah,
Okay.
down there. Lao Chai is Thao Bang, come back Thao Bang village, different way.
Oh, so Sapa's that way?
Yeah, Sapa is there.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
We'll go back.
Maybe you want for me?
No, I'm okay. I can't.
Nothing for me?
I have no space. I'm sorry.
Maybe
no
you
space.
go this way, Sapa, you go this way.
Okay, thank you.
Where you from?
America.
Very good.
Yes, thank you.
Taiwan, very happy you today.
I can't, sorry. I hate saying no to people, but I legitimately have no space. So if I buy things, like if I got on a flight right now, I would have to throw away a lot of stuff. So once this trip in Vietnam's over, there's gonna be a lot of stuff I can't take with me. Because I bought like a jacket, a few things from Thailand, and then I have a couple things that I've bought as well. It's just like damn near impossible to buy anything. So I just say no to literally everything. I've been driving the road before. Look at that sleeping puppy. Yeah, that's a nice view right there. Oh, great. Camera has loosened up a little bit, but I know to stop on this hill, get to the top. Nice turn. This way. Hello, camera. Maybe we'll give you a pause here.